Day 2 in Ninh, Binh. We are just waiting for a bus to go to... I don't know these names. Today we're doing Trang An boat tour. We're doing some Dragon Mountain. You hike to the top, it is steps, so no hiking, it's just 500 steps. And there's a big massive dragon on top. It looks pretty sick, to be fair. And we're going to some ancient city as well, Honglua, I think, something like that. We've just polished off a few eggs and bread, which was decent. Hello. Mum. Doesn't want to know me. It lashed it down all night last night. Terrible rain, so not sure what to expect today. Just waiting for this bus to start this day. Fun. An adventure! Come here, puppy! No, little doggy. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, you like that, don't you? Don't know what we're doing. The bus is due at 8 to 8:30. It's currently 8:27. Still no sign of it, and it's absolutely pissing down now. It's going to be a long day. We're out in the rain all day. We're going on a boat ride. A bloody boat ride. And here we go. Finally. 1 minute later. Kyle.
Kyle from England.
Yeah, that's the one, man. Yeah, hey, he's funny. Go. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we've arrived at our first destination. Just come through here now, just been explaining about this little stone that's unique to Vietnam. There's like a dragon stone with hands to show that animals and nature and humans come together and form as one, something like that. That's quite big over here in Vietnam. Pretty nice place like this. Got a little carpfish there, pretty cool. And then he said you can't walk through the centrepiece because we're not that important. That's literally what I said. Apparently, like, spiritual people can't go through the centre. Like, yeah, of course you can't make it through the centre. Not important. Also, side note, we had a rude woman on the bus, American. She sat next to a lad who we've now got to know, a Scottish lad called Owen from Edinburgh. And she just sat down and was like, I've got no room because this guy's massive. Just like that. And she kept repeating it. Eventually, like, to the point where she went, I'm going to fall off my seat. I've strapped myself in the seatbelts and stuff like that. Fucking unbelievable. Honest to God. Never seen something so rude.
Oh.
Smells good. So he just told us there, the king died by chopsticks. What a way to go. So in the 10th century, they used to use timber, wood to make chopsticks. I don't think they do anymore. And someone put cyanide in his chopsticks. And he's just gone about having his chicken fried noodles or whatever and drop dead Fred. Absolutely assassinated in a crazy way by chopsticks. Mental.
I did that to you.
But, you know, there's dragons everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Dragons everywhere. And it's not a creature that ever existed. It's a made up animal. And it's just everywhere. Every temple you go to around the world. That baffles me.
Show them pearly whites off.
Group picture, baby. Is our tour guide? What's your name?
I'm Dad. DIT. I'm the
Dad.
local guy in Vietnam,
Yeah.
and so I like Liverpool FC. Either part,
Manchester United fan, but he loves Liverpool.
Either part, I'm still love Liverpool so much.
He's just been reeling off all the Liverpool players from the 90s. Steve McManaman,
Steve McManaman,
Jamie Carragher,
Jamie Carragher,
Steven Gerrard.
Drop me about Fowler,
Robbie Fowler,
and John Anarisa.
John Anarisa.
Reza, yeah.
No way,
Yeah.
knows them all.
Football players you're talking about?
Yeah, they're all old Liverpool players.
Oh, I see. From Vietnam?
No, England.
Oh, he's just a football fan.
Yeah, he just knows them from. I mean, these are like players from the late 80s, 90s.
Wow.
And he knows them all.
Wow.
Me and Shania, everywhere we go, we see marathons. When we were in Nice, we seen the. Fuck, Jesus Christ, I'm a blank. What's it called? Oh my God. In Nice, it was the Tour de France. We see festivals everywhere we go, marathons, things like that. In Hanoi, there was a marathon at 2 a.m. and now here, in all these temples, in Holua, you've got another marathon. It's just crazy because like we've just been to see temples and kings and queens buried 1,000 years ago and stuff, and then just here you got like a marathon going on. To be honest, I don't even know what we're doing today. Like, this is Honglua or Hualua or something, this area. And he's just been telling us about the history of it and stuff, how 10th century the Chinese wanted to take over Vietnam, and this king called Dinh, the Dinh dynasty, whatever, fought back and kicked his ass, and it was called Hoi Vai Viet something, I think, and then I guess over time it was eventually called Vietnam. Rain stopped, it's lovely now. Alright, come on. Okay, we are just at our next stop now. We're in the minibus for about 10 minutes. I think we're at the Imperial City, so the biggest imperial city in Asia, he said, which is pretty insane to know Asia, how big Asia is. The sun's out as well. Finally, this is actually the first bit of sun we've seen in a week. Proper sun, actual sun that can cremate your skin, that's what I want. Anyway, look at this over here. This big tower there, proper sick. But we are going in here. I mean, it looks like we're in the middle of like some industrial place, but I'm yeah, quite excited to go in here. Okay, we have arrived at the gates. This is the oldest imperial city in Asia, which is sick. Got some pretty cool things here. And all these bonsai trees again. I know in the past I've mentioned bonsai trees, but I absolutely love them. And these are absolutely insane. Like, the care and effort has gone into them. Get in that picture. Get this. Can't find my tour guide, but I found Walter White. He is the one who knocks. Let me tell you something. If you were on a night out and you bumped into him coming down the street with that machete in his hand, you'd run the other way, wouldn't you? Look at all these geezers here. Goes on and on and on, all the way up there. Just climbed up some little temple thing. Look at this. I'm really hoping we go over there. Big bell. That is one massive bell. That almost doesn't feel like I'm in Vietnam. It feels like Japan almost, like these big buildings. That's what we're in now. We're in one. I want to go over there. I am so hoping we can go in or up it. Can't see anyone up at the top at the minute, so I'm not sure if you're allowed, but first we're going inside this little temple thing. Alright, look at this place.
I will say something for you and for the couple and everyone here. in our groups to say something to
Say something here and we pray.
pray for you on SOS.
Said he's going to pray for me. Which doesn't sound good, does it? But I don't know if you can notice on this, but right on this chest here, there's a Nazi sign. Yeah, it's a bit weird. I want to see why there's a Nazi sign on it.
It's not. You just said it's peace. Nazi sign's on the other side.
What do you mean?
The Nazi sign's the other way round.
Look who we've stumbled on here. Grandmaster Uguay and Crane and Kung Fu Panda. So apparently it's not a Nazi sign. Nazi sign is the other way round, diagonally or something like that. Weirdly though, in Thailand, they leave these like food here as well. Look. Apparently these are like offerings to the Buddhas. I don't know what happens to them. Like loads of flies on it and stuff. We've seen like crates of beer and all that as well. But in the White Temple in Thailand, in one of these temples, you wasn't allowed to film, but they had like drawings on the wall of like Spider-Man and stuff, and then there was like twin towers with a plane crashing into it. Can anyone explain? I am fuming. We're out. We've just left, and we didn't go to see this tower, which I'm actually gutted about because it looks like the best thing here. Do you know what I mean? These two up here, I didn't get a chance to go and see them. Look at all the fish here, look. Wow. Yeah, this is peaceful. This is nice. So I think now we're going back for some lunch. We're going a little bus journey back, and then grab some food, and then finally Trang An, which I'm excited for. Get on some boats and that. So you got like statues of horses and plants all the way down here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty sick place to be fair. Imperial City. Don't think we're going to get a chance to go to the one in Hue, because I think it's underwater at the minute. It's where we're heading next anyway. We've got our tickets booked for Phong Na, which is home to the world's largest cave. And shit, we're getting on the bus. Get a few little beers for the journey, courtesy of Owen. Bought us a few beers for this journey. Right, we are back in Tamcock now for some lunch, like a buffet lunch. Pretty decent to be fair. Here's my meal. Got some chicken and egg noodle soup, little salad, some noodles. This is goat again because it was nice last night, and then we've got some chicken and shrimp, seafood, spring rolls as well. So prawn crackers and everything.
Yeah.
They're garbage fries, but french fries.
I know. I don't really know what I want it to be on.
There we go. Check this out.
Very expensive.
Sorry?
This is what we're doing, look. Let's get yourselves over here. Got a fucking boat round here. Yes. Can't wait. This is better. This is better than the temples and pagodas. Yes, excited. All the crew lined up, ready to go. Alright, here we are.
Hello.
Here we go.
Are you from
England.
England?
England, Liverpool. What's your name?
Han.
Han. Nice to meet you. Han. And we're up, here we go. Lovely. Very strong. Muscles. Quite low, isn't it?
I know. I
I don't know.
I know.
Wow. Beautiful.
This is beautiful.
Oh, hi. Trai thì không.
Okay, about to go in another cave. Yeah, proper low as well. This is like a proper tunnel, isn't it?
It was like Disneyland or something.
Yeah, it's almost like it's been carved for
Yeah.
this specific reason, right? Always a traffic jam somewhere, isn't it? We're turning. We are turning. Wow.
Incredible.
Wow, this is
Lovely job.
Yeah, we like this one.
Yeah.
this is lovely. Okay, cave number 3. This one is quite low, actually. Holy hell. Watch your head, watch your head. Ooh, you're quite close, you know that. Wow, bloody hell. Don't bash your head on a stalagmite or whatever you call them. They're literally head height. Oh, this is sick. You're professional. Oh.
Oh, she's telling you what?
I know. Oh. Yeah, that was close there, huh? On the left. This is fun. Get down. Get down. I thought it was going to be over quite quick as well, didn't it?
I guess it's quite a long journey.
Yeah, I thought you were just gonna go through like one cave and do a little loop, but you're not. Still on here.
It's not that tall. Yeah, well, no, yeah. No.
What a place. He's cleaning seaweed out here, it's crazy. Yeah. What? Hell of a job that. That's that fly. It's been 81 years.
Wilson.
We are still going this. We've been on here now 30-40 minutes. And she's still going. We're officially on our way back though. Hoping to make it before the heavens opens because they look a bit. Except it's gonna rain maybe. I'm paddling and helping this lady. Don't know how they do it.
Why not? In a paddle.
And these are supposed to go round and round and round, do it all day. Fair play. My ass is numb.
Very tranquil, but I'm very bloody tired as well.
And we're back on dry land almost anyway. Yeah. Everyone feeding the bloody fish. Going bloody crazy. Nice. Wow. Bloody hell. Nice.
One by one.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh, cheers, man. And we're back on dry land officially now. Look at these bloody fish here. Wow, that was beautiful and lovely and peaceful, but just way too long. So the time is now 3:30. Let's call it 3:30. We got on there 1:45, so 1 hour. Cal Hughes. Huge. Good. Yeah. Can't feel my bum. My bum. Numb. Yeah, numb bum. Can't feel it. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, just a bit longer. An hour and 45 minutes. So, but done. On to the next thing. Just climb a mountain now. We're both ready for bloody bed. Okay, we are at Dragon Mountain now. This will be the final stop on today's tour. Two little horses there. And we just asked the guy, he said we've got to be back here in 1 hour, so we have 1 hour to get up. We asked him how long does it take to get to the top. He said 2 hours. So, I don't know. We're kind of on the clock. Just through the trees here, every now and then you can see the mountain, and you can see hundreds of people walking up. It looks absolutely shocker. So whether you can either walk fast up or not, I don't know, but I'm all here for it. Let's do it! Okay, here we go. We're officially at the start. We just asked 3 more people coming down how long it took them. And it was like 3 Spanish guys, ripped as fuck, 6-pack, had the top off and everything. And they said they did it in 25 minutes, max 30. But he said it's quite intense because it's quite humid up there, so you're gonna get your sweat on. But here we go. We have officially started. Okay. No Crocs today either, so we should fly up this mountain. This is the view, probably 50 steps up. Like the guy said 500 steps. We've just started, so long way to go. This is where we're going. Okay. Well, that's the top there, though. There. Yes. Definitely feel it now. And your calves. And it is humid up here. Whew. how high we are. And this is where we're going. There's a place here, but there's also a place up there. So I don't know which one's which. Yeah, there we go. Left there is. There we go. Look at these here, mate. Fucking hell.
There's an exercise on the Pilates chair that I can't do without handles.
Wow. Look at these views. Absolutely insane. Apparently says someone said you can't get there because it's too crowded. But this one up here is higher, so that's what we're going for. Shania's overtook me. She's powering through. Ah, these are steep stairs. Sweating. Whew. We're kind of here. There's the dragon up here. The queue. There's a queue to get to the actual dragon. I'm not waiting for that queue.
We are all waiting to go.
Oh, it's slippy, you know. Like, it's so wet. Oh, yeah,
Mate. Fucking hell. Fucking things we do here. A fucking picture. Have to climb up, exactly.
Oh no. Oh no, fuck that. Oh, danger. You can't get up. Like, you can, but you've got like an edge to walk on.
Wanna leave it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck that. It's pretty hard to get up there, like.
Used to come what I'm doing, standing there. Oh shit.
Fucking hell. I can get through here.
If you want to, yeah.
Much better view here.
Good, good, good. हमको बहुत लगला उसे पौड़ी वाला तोड़े वाली. I won't want to disturb the nature.
Unbelievable. It's just too busy at the top. To get there. They're like really sharp stones to get up as well. Just enjoy this here. So I fucked the top off. I'm at some other viewpoint which is just as good, do you know what I mean? Look at this. This is like the other side, where the sun was setting then. This is the other side. All the rice fields there. This is the other viewpoint just here, and all the people waiting to get that picture. Absolutely incredible. Worth it. Proper worth it, that.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking ridiculous. Bloody hell. Come up for views like this. There's just hundreds of people.
Yeah, because this is like the best time to go.
The descent begins.
You can move it.
Couldn't help. There was a little halfway house on the way down. Little beer with a view. Cheers, everyone.
Yeah.
Oh, well earned,
Then you
well
lost
earned.
it on like.
We're down. We made it. We survived it. With the mountain ticked off the list. Dragon Mountain in Ninh, in Trang An, Ninh, completed. A lot of mountains ticked off the list. Right. That's it for the day, I think. get back on the minibus now, and then we go back to the hotel. We're gonna get a quick shower, then we're packing, we're out for food, and then we're on an 8-hour bus to Phong Nha, where they have the world's biggest cave. But you can't get in. To go inside, it costs like £2,000 to £4,000. It's like ridiculous. But yeah, probably end it there. What a day again. As always, if you're not subscribed, like, comment, drop anything. A bit of love, I appreciate it. Peace out. Cheers.